Our handbook of Northwestern plants puts this in the plant family Portulacaceae, but if you go to iNaturalist, you'll see it's called Montiaceae. In lecture, I'll discuss why these different names are used. This is a herbarium specimen collected at the botany farm, where those previous photos were taken, and it nicely shows whether it's an annual or a perennial. The flowers of this species only open in the afternoon and only on sunny days. The concept of a botanical clock was described by Linnaeus, listing flowers that opened at certain times of the day, although it's unlikely that he ever planted such a clock. In addition to only flowering in the afternoon, only one flower is open at a time per inflorescence. This can make it challenging to see where the inflorescence begins, but all of these pairs of sepals that you can see are around developing fruits, so all of them are part of the inflorescence. In this recently opened flower, the anthers are dehisced and spreading pollen, while the style lobes are closed together. But as the flower starts to age, you'll see that some of the anthers have begun to fall off, and now the three style lobes have separated out, and the receptive surface is now available, encouraging cross-pollination. This developmental process, where the anthers dehisce before the styles of that flower are receptive, is called protandry. Successful pollination will lead to seed development. So let's zoom in on the developing fruit. Again, it's a capsule, as is found throughout the family. And at maturity, it will open along these slits that you can just see here. But because it is immature, it's going to require a little bit of pressure to get it to open. So we're peeling apart the sepals, and you will open it up along the suture. And the seeds at this point are immature. One nice thing you can see in these photos is the funiculus, which is analogous to the umbilical cord. It's the attachment of the ovule developing seed to the ovary. The way that the ovules are attached to the ovary wall is called placentation. And finally, here are the mature seeds, which are shiny and black and flattened, similar to seeds found across the family and in fact across the entire order Caryophyllales.